she likes, what she likes, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, because you don't got time to choose it.
Hey tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93, and today we're going to take this tutorial back a little bit, back to when I had square nails just a short time ago. As promised in my last Laytime transformation video, I told you guys about how Pinky Nail snapped on me a while ago, and how I made her as good as new, like nothing happened. In this video, I'm showing the actual surgical procedure she underwent, as it's my best advice for a clean break to date. Ready to go? Let's get started. It's time to nail it. Okay, as for throwback Pinky here, how she snapped is still a bit of a blur. I just remember there was a blatant force from which there was no return back to safety. She snapped and I was shooketh, but the key is to run to cover to fix the break while it's still fresh. Now grabbing my trusty nail glue, I'm squeezing and running a little bit along the broken edge of my free nail before carefully lining it back into position with my nail bed. After holding it for a few seconds, like so, I'll be sealing the top of the crack with some of that same glue. This is reinforced protective barrier number 1, keeping Pinky protected from any aerial attacks afoot. Use your weapon of choice to seal the glue over the crack. I'm using my orange stick. Reinforced barrier number 2 protects her from attacks from below the surface. You have to cover all your bases cause it ain't safe. Then take your wooden weapon and clear out that wet glue before it hardens on your skin and leaves you trapped. Or wait until your natural oils release the glue's cast and set you free. And now it's time to bring in the big guns, the not so secret weapon all my seasoned tribers should know about because you crossed paths with this before, the silk wrap. It's a fabric adhesive in nature and just lays over the nail and just waits to be lifted up and trimmed into shape like so. And now we'll summon the brush-on glue to help activate the full effects of the silk wrap, making it virtually undetectable, like nothing ever happened. But once hardened, the cast starts to give poor Pinky away. But first we gotta whip things back into shape with a fine to medium grit file. Pinky's moving around like, what cast? Glue who? Yeah, slow down, Pink. Next, we'll use the soft buffing block to smooth that surface back down gently. Now at this point, you can apply some oil if you're gonna go all natural against the savage beasts out there. But you know, I'm gonna go with one clear coat, let it dry, and then buff it once more just to quickly prep Pinky for the next mani. This way the polish sticks, Pinky's good, and all is well. So yes, that's my newest update for fixing a completely cracked nail like nothing even happened. And for those of you girls wondering, this technique lasted long beyond my square nail days and my stiletto set, aka over 30 days. In the shower, washing my hair, cleaning up, etc. I hope you guys enjoyed this fix a break type tutorial and found it helpful. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.